Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and your family too. Okay, today we are starting our new subject English textbook and the unit number 1, which is downhill all the way. Okay, and the whole story is set in Murree and Islamabad, around two cities. The main summary of the story is about the family which is traveling to Murree from Islamabad. The main character of the story is a girl named as Leila. She wanted to take her bicycle with her during the visit so she can drive her bicycle at the Murree roads. The whole story revolves around the Leila and her journey. So she wanted to drive her bicycle on steep and winding roads of Murree. Later, all the people gathered there start chasing her as her bicycle was going very fast down the hill, and the brakes were also not working. So we will discuss in detail how this goes on and how she managed to stop her bicycle. So now we start our lesson. Okay, first, before you read, discuss, do you always do what your parents tell you? Do your parents always tell you the same thing? Okay, after listening this story, after listening this story, you will tell your story in your own words, that how your parents told you to not do something anytime but you did it. Then what happened to you in that situation? Okay, first paragraph. Can I take my blue Superviz bicycle to Murree? Asked Leila. No, said her mother, it's not safe. Yes, said her father at the same time. You can cycle in the driveway of the hotel, but you must not go into the road. Said Leila's worried mother. Underline the word supervise and underline the word worried. What is the meaning of supervise? Supervise is the name of the bicycle. And what is the meaning of worried? Worried means uneasy, disturbed. Okay, in this paragraph, Leila is asking her parents that if she take her bicycle with her. Her father said yes and mother said no, but at one condition, that she can drive a bicycle in this driveway of hotel, because her mother is very worried about her. Okay, on Tuesday morning, her father put the cycle on the roof of the car with the cases. Then off they went on their holiday. They drove high into the hills up the expressway from Islamabad to Murree. Okay, as you can see here, the cases and bicycle are on the roof of the car. Okay, now underline the word cases. Cases means suitcases in which you put your everything for packing. Okay, in this paragraph, on Tuesday morning, the family took the car and went to Murree from Islamabad Expressway, while the bicycle and suitcases are also carrying with them. Okay. In the third, the morning after they arrived, Leila got on her bike. At first, she stayed in the driveway of the hotel, but it was quite small. It's boring here. Driveway of the hotel, but it was quite small. It's boring here, she thought. Slowly, very slowly, she wobbled into the road. It's easier if I ride a bit faster, thought Leila. She rode faster and she didn't wobble at all. I'll be careful, thought Leila. Underline the word wobbled. What is the meaning of wobbled? Wobbled means unbalanced. Okay. In this paragraph, the next morning she took her bike and stayed in a driveway of hotel, but she got bored as it was very quite small place. She slowly moved on the road as it was easy for her to drive her bicycle fastly because it didn't unbalance her, thought Leila. Okay. Just then her parents came out of the hotel. We must rescue her, they said. They jumped into a mini cab, stopped that bike, shouted her parents. But in her excitement, Leila didn't hear them. She went faster and faster. She cried, I feel like a bird. She shot down the steep road past two dogs called Peter and Pud. That's a good game. barked Peter. So Peter purred and the minicab chased after Layla. Underline the word rescue, underline the word chased, underline the word excitement. Okay, what is the meaning of rescue? Save, recover. Okay, what is the meaning of chased? Follow. What is the meaning of excitement? Too much happiness. Okay, in this paragraph, her parents came out from hotel to save her daughter. They took taxi minicab to stop that bike, okay, or bicycle, which Lela was driving fastly down the hill. On her way, two dogs named as Peter and Pert starting chasing her as they thought this is a good game. Okay. Lela was a frightened of the dogs. I think I will go back to the hotel now, she thought. She pressed the brake, but it didn't work. The bike went even faster. A few minutes later, she zoomed far past 5 champion cyclists. It's a race, cried one cyclist. Let's complete, shouted another. So the 5 champion cyclists, Peter, Pert, and the minicab chased after Lela. Okay, underline the word frightened and zoomed. Chased means, I already told you, follow. Zoomed means closely watched, and frightened means afraid of. Okay, okay. In these lines, as you can see here, two dogs were there and the minicab also. Okay, in these lines, Lela was afraid of the dog, so she thought to go back to the hotel. On pressing brakes, it didn't work. A few minutes passed, she crossed 5 champion cyclists. As her cycle was running fastly, along with Peter, Pert, and minicab, the 5 cyclists started competed her as they thought it is a race. So they also follow her. Okay. Morning became afternoon. Suddenly, they passed a policeman, stopped that bike, shouted Laila's father and mother. It's a robbery, thought the policeman. He jumped into his car and pursued them. So the police car, the 5 champion cyclists, Peter, Pert, and the minicab, all they chased after Lela. Okay. First, underline the word persuade, underline the word robbery. Robbery means stealing, to steal something. Okay, and persuade means follow, to follow someone. Okay, then afternoon became evening, but Lela still could not stop. A few miles down the road, she passed a bus load of musicians at a tea stall. Oh no, there's our wedding party, said the driver. We are late. Jump in the bus, everyone. Okay. In these lines, as a time flies, morning became afternoon. She crossed the policeman. He also started following her, thinking that it is a robbery. A few miles down the road, she crossed the musician at a tea stall. They all thought that it is a wedding party. So they jumped in a bus and they started following her as now it is evening time. Okay.